So okay, this one gonna be give me that control right there. All right, if we hit the home Z, and then it's turned back, not at exactly at the 0. And now we turn up the server. Okay, and then we hand do get it to a 0, top and bottom. You got a flashlight? Where are they? God damn, I cannot see. Right there. Okay. All right, we got right at that. Now turn the servo back on. And this time is we doing a turn up the servo, turn the head by hand, and turn the servo back on. If we move the head, we just press this key, and we move the head, but the twist head is not turning. And not do that before. Usually before, if we press the key and the head turn, now it doesn't. You see that? All right, let's see this.